2024 Land Rover Defender XS with urban styling. The big thing also with this car, it's got an electric deployable Towbar, and the price includes VAT, so it's a VAT qualifying vehicle also. It's in Santorini. The urban styling gives it the wide arches, the badging, the inserts. It's all colour coded all throughout and the undersections. 22-inch urban styled wheels, the lights at the top, the pod lights, the mud flaps, the side steps, so it looks really well from the outside. The car's a 2024, it's priced at $78,990 including VAT. XS model gives you great specification. Auto dynamic headlights, heated seats, cooled seats, full leather, sliding sunroof, air suspension, but I'll show you all that later in the video. There's the difference on the arches. You can see the width of them just makes the car look so much better and chunkier. 22-inch wheels, as I've mentioned, they are finished in matte black. You've also got privacy, you've got the side steps, signature graphic, and then you've got the urban logo, and then rear spoiler, spare wheel cover, clear lights at the rear, wide arches all the way colour coded round the rear bumper. And then I'll pop inside the boot, and there's two things I want to show you which are very important. One is that one, which is air suspension, so you can drop the car up and down. And then you've got your electric deployable Towbar. Press the button. Certainly on Defenders, the Towbar as an option is very, very popular. 3-litre diesel, 250 brake horsepower, keyless entry. So press the button, car opens, and then I'll just show you some of the features on an XS. So full leather. You also get ambient lighting or cabin lighting throughout, so you can see that illuminated in the door cards. Rear charging points. And then not only has it got things like your full leather, your memory seats, your Meridian, you've got other features, illuminated kick plates, heated steering wheel. It's also got a fridge, wireless charging, ClearSight camera. I'll show you all this as we get in now. Digital cockpit, I'll show you the pod lights as well. There's a little button here for them to turn them on and off. And then centre armrest, pop that up, fridge, wireless charging there, seats, you've got cooled and you've got heated, and then also you've got the air suspension button in the middle there to raise it up, ClearSight camera, opening sunroof. And then if we get into the main menu, not only have you got the ClearSight, but you have full surround camera system, and you have towing assist as well. And then you've got all your other features, things like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your Alexa, your navigation, your Bluetooth, your front and rear heated screens. The spec is superb. Land Rover warranty and assist till 2027, and it's VAT qualifying. It does everything really, this car. It's going live on the website. Any more info, you can call me direct. The number's on the bottom of the screen. Thank you for watching.